Hi guys, happy Monday. Maybe you are wondering why I am with this very weird angle, but the thing is that I have been doing some photos for a thumbnail for YouTube. You know guys, maybe I'm going to talk you in a future video about YouTube and things in case you want to become, start creating your own channel. But the thing is that I have been like creating this fake scene because yeah guys, it's fake. I mean, I'm not drawing right now. I already had everything drawn, but I just needed I needed a thumbnail because I have been searching over all the blog and I couldn't find a proper image for the cover of the video. And guys, covers are super important, thumbnails are super important because it's the first thing that people see when they come to your channel. So yeah, I'm going to clean up everything and I'm going to start, I'm going to edit this thumbnail and I need to do some stuff. I need to paint, I need to finish the sticker for the snail man that I already didn't finish from last vlog. So yeah, this is what I'm going to do right now.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high.
Hi guys, happy Wednesday. This morning I have been working on the secret project for almost 2 hours. And then I decided that I wanted to make a video for YouTube that it's going to be available today, and it's about how to avoid get hacked on Instagram. And while it may be applied for a lot of for everything in single life, I'm giving you tips there. I think they are common sense tips, but also I show you some steps you can do on your account to protect her the best you can. So it's not about how to recover your account. Even you're going to find some links to videos that I found that maybe it could be useful in that case. But this video is to prevent on being hacked. So it's like taking action to actually avoid or not make anything to not get hacked. Of course, when a hacker, hackers are super smart and and I don't know. I mean, it's not 100% sure that you are going to avoid it because you don't know, guys, where the things come on. Is that the name of that? Well, I don't know. So yeah, right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start editing the video. I just filmed it like the talking face. I mean, this is the same angle I had from the video. So I'm going to do the edit like the part of the talking head. Also, I recorded my screen on the phone because I have some things that I wanted to show you. And yeah, I'm going to do that. And this afternoon, probably, I'm going to paint Rhaenyra's sketches that I did last night. and I want to make a real painting there. I'm going to edit, I'm going to lunch, and then I'm going to paint. This is going to be the plan for today. Okay, Phoebe, don't bite.
¿Y empezará a investigar?
Yo me encargaré.
Tú nos has metido en esto. No lo digo como crítica, es solo que es la realidad.
Las decisiones que en este momento convienen a la economía y a la sociedad española.
Hi guys, happy Thursday, and today I wanted to do a few things. Well, I already did a few things. This morning I did a video for talking about Inktober, you know, for people to know that I have a prom list with Daniela Cumbre, Dani Drown, and Sabrina D'Ambrosio, that we are hosting this very, you know, easy to handle Inktober prom, because it's only 4 illustrations, 1 a week. So in that video I'm explaining in more detail all the process, and also I'm showing you some of the sketches I did for that. I'm going to show you very quick the sketches. Also, I want to show you the sketches I did for Rhaenyra Targaryen. That is what right now it's what I'm going to do. I'm going to paint these sketches, and I'm going to save the process because I want it to be like a draw with me video for my patrons. And also I'm going to be filming with the camera, so probably you can see me while, you know, probably you can see me while I just paint that, because I'm going to film the process in a Reels format, because it's been a long time since I didn't make this kind of Reels, and they worked so well. So I'm going to try that. Also, I'm going to use the new tripod. You know guys, I'm amazed with this tripod because you can move it, you know, the way you want. So yeah, I'm super happy with this. I think it's the money best invested in a long time. So yeah, I'm going to do that. I'm going to show you very quick the sketches, and I'm going to start painting. So is this one is for the first week. It's witch. So it's a pin-up witch, and then I use the words that I can choose, you know, the adjective or things that you can add. So I choose a pumpkin, cat, and potion. So this is going to be a cat, this is going to be pumpkins, and this is going to be like a cauldron with a potion. Next one, that is for day 14, is this girl. It's about ghost. That week prom is ghost. So I'm still thinking if I want to make all of them like ghost, or just the cats, or just the girls. So I need to think about that. But well, the thing is, I wanted like she's in a very strange way, in a very strange position. No, in a very strange place. For this one, that is for week number 3, the main work is vampire. So I choose the words blood, rock, and last. So the last thing is represented on the pose. The rock thing, it's going to be available with the clothes. And the blood, I want to make this air like similar to blood. So yeah, this is the idea I have. So it's going to be red and black. And the last one, that is my favorite right now, is for Katrina. So basically it's this girl with, you know, the Katrina paints on the face. Also I add here some skulls. For this one I have ritual, blood, and spooky. So ritual because this girl is making some kind of ritual. Spooky because it appears like this ghost. Probably they can be mariachis or something like that. And spooky, no, and blood because this heart that is from the ritual is bleeding, you know. So yeah, these are my drawings for Inktober. And now I want to show you what I'm going to paint today for the Draw With Me video for my patrons. And this is the sketches I did the other day. I think it was 2 nights ago. So there are some poses for Rhaenyra, and you know guys, I really need to something very chill and relaxing to do today. And I think that it's the best way to spend the afternoon, just painting, watching some, you know, I have here the big screen. So I'm going to put some TV show or something, and I'm going to film all the process. Good morning guys, today is Friday. This morning I have been making the editing of a blog, and also I have been, you know, sharing some things and preparing some posts for today. And right now I'm going to start with the feedbacks for my patrons. And later I need to continue painting the draw with me and making the reels. So let's go to do that, and I will catch up with you later. I think you've done a great job. But I think we have to work here, you know, to get something stiff. It's 1:30 p.m. I just ended up with the feedback for patrons. I'm just uploading to YouTube their videos and sharing in their folders the files with the tips and things I give to them. And the last thing I have to do before making lunch is the Patreon podcast. It's what I'm going to do right now because it's super late, guys. Today I had done a lot of things this morning and it's super late, so let's do that.